I was really lucky and fortunate growing up that my teachers, they didn't just teach, they truly inspired. And that really truly started my path down a career in biotechnology. My name is John Howell. I'm a scientist here at Enzymes. I help my customers every day find safe, natural, and sustainable technologies to improve the cleaning performance of their products. One of the cool projects we're working on is we're partnering with a university to study the cleaning impact specialized proteins known as enzymes can have on cleaning of complex medical devices such as endoscopes. Endoscopes are the cameras used by doctors to evaluate the upper or lower GI tract of a patient. In between patients, it is absolutely critical that these devices get cleaned properly prior to disinfection. Our goal is to use biotechnology to help improve the efficiency of this cleaning step, which will lead to better disinfection and ultimately better patient outcomes. My name is John Howell. I'm a scientist here at Enzymes, and I am bio.